Hey my beautiful bestie, ever wondered how those Pinterest girls always look so rich and put together? Babe, today we're unlocking that secret. I'm showing you 10 plus hairstyles that make you look expensive and effortlessly that girl. Let's get started. First, leave a few strands of hair in the front for that soft look. Then, make a high ponytail. Divide it into 2 sections, roll both sections, and cross them over each other. Finally, secure both with bobby pins and that's it, super cute and classy. 2. Leave a few strands from the front for a soft look. Make mini braids on both sides and take them to the back. Twist the side hair into the braids, secure them together, and add a cute bow at the end, so elegant and Pinterest perfect. 3. Leave some front hair, secure the top section with a claw clip, pin the front strands back into a ponytail, then release the top hair, super cute and effortless. 4. Leave a few front strands, make mini braids on both sides, and secure them at the back. Add an inward claw clip with a bit of hair, and let some strands fall loose for that soft, effortless look. 5. Part your hair from below the ear, make braids on both sides, and secure them with rubbers. Then bring both braids over your head like a headband and pin them, super elegant and girly. 6. Take the top half of your hair and tie it into a high ponytail. Let the rest of your hair stay down, it gives that lifted, playful look that's perfect for medium-length hair. 7. Take a small section of hair from one side, tie it with a rubber band, and flip it inward. Do the same on the other side, bring both to the back, and secure with a cute clip, super soft and stylish. 8. For short front hair, take a small section from one side, tie it with a rubber band, and flip it inward. Do the same on the other side, then add little bows on both sides. Looks super cute and girly. 9. Make a ponytail using only the upper section of your hair, then flip it inward. Place a claw clip right below that ponytail. Now take the side sections of your hair and tuck them inside the clip. It gives a super elegant, lifted look. 10. Leave a few strands from the front and make mini braids on both sides. Take both braided sections to the back and tie them into a ponytail. Then braid that ponytail. It gives a cute and stylish braided look. Alright babes, that's all 10 hairstyles. Tell me in the comments which look you'll try first. I read all of them. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more girly tutorials.